This is the ultra-heavy lift Amphibious connector, aka the U-Hack. The most recent prototype is 42 feet long and 17 feet tall, but it's just half the intended size of the final version. At full capacity, it should be able to carry 3 battle tanks ashore, with a range of about 200 nautical miles. It can also transport 190 tons worth of material, and once on land it can move across sand dunes, mud, and marsh areas, and even 10-foot-high seawalls. The treads are made out of low-pressure air within foam casings. Its only weakness? Speed. The U-Hack goes 23 miles an hour, which is about half the speed of the older version. But what it lacks in speed, it makes up for in sheer power.